Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Vanillite from Pokemon. Let's get started with the eyes. So we move up to the top of our page. Over on the left side we're going to draw a large oval. Starting from the very top, curve around towards the bottom. Now we're just going to pull that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the oval. Curve around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to push the pupils in towards the inside. So we're going to draw a small oval on the left side, starting from the top, curve around towards the bottom. We're going to leave a little gap along the inside of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to line this up, curve around, again leaving that little gap on the inside of the eye, and then back to the top. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. So we're going to line this up with the bottom edge of the eye. In the center, we're going to draw a curve from left to right, coming down and then back up. Let's round out the corner of the mouth. Starting on the left, we'll curve around and then just pull that in. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with another curve, coming down the middle. I'm just going to pull this back up on the right side. Let's add 2 diamond shapes on the side of the eye. So on the left side, just beside the eye, we're going to start with a point. With this point, we're going to angle up and out towards the left. Go back to the inside, we're going to angle down and out towards the left. Now we're going to take these 2 points and come down towards a center point. Come down and out, and then all the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the diamond, angle down and in, back down and out. Go back to the top, draw the outside of the diamond. Now that we've drawn the face, let's work in the side of the head. So directly above the left eye, up here, we're going to draw a half circle going around the diamond down towards the chin. So start up here, curve around, go around the corner of the diamond, and then we'll just pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to line this up, curve around the right side diamond, come down, and then we'll just pull that in. Now we're going to move to the top of the head and add in the swirl. So we step out. We'll start by curving out and then hooking that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve out and then in. Now we want to add the top of the swirl. So on the left side we're going to step out. We'll start with a curve going up and in. Now at the end we're just going to swirl this back towards the left. And then from the top I just want to curve this down towards this line. Going out and then down. Let's move to the bottom now and add in the collar. So starting on the left side, we draw a half circle, going out, and then just pulling that up and in. Do the same thing on the right, curving out, and then pulling that in. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with another half circle coming down the center. And we're going to stick the body in underneath the collar. So on the left side, at the bottom of this curve, we're going to come down and in towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Starting on the left, curve down, and then back up. Now we want to add a geometric pattern to the body. So at the bottom in the center here, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the cone. Now from the top, we want to angle down and out, leaving a little gap on the outside. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to come down in an angle towards that bottom point. Let's go back to the outside of this diamond. We're going to angle down and in towards the center line. Then go back up on the right. Now from the outside corner, I'm going to go up with an angle towards the top of the cone. And then from that same point on the outside, we're going to come down towards the bottom corner of the cone. Let's go to the outside and add in the arms. So from the side of this curve, we're going to go out and then down. I'm going to pull this in towards the side of the cone, going in the opposite direction, coming down and then in. Now the last thing we're going to do is add some puffy clouds around the base of the body. So starting on the left side out here underneath the arm, we're going to draw a small one. Drawing a small half circle. We're going to work our way around with a series of half circles. Draw one more on the inside. Let's add a larger one at the bottom here. Starting up here, draw that half circle. We'll add 5 curves. We're gonna vary the sizes as well. We're gonna go with a small one here, and then just connect those 2 points with a medium half circle. Let's do one more on the side, on the right. Draw a small half circle. We'll go bigger again. Now we're gonna close this off again with another half circle. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Vanillite from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.